Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to a very unusual, unscheduled late night show with SOUNDHOUND investors only. It's a surprise event, and we're doing it because we want to reach out to the investor relations, the SOUNDHOUND team. We want to get them on the show, and we have a plan. We have a master plan. All right, so this is what we're going to do. We're just going to wait for a couple of seconds for everyone to get here. All we need is about 10 people. That's all we need, 10 active people in the chat. We don't need 100 or 1,000 or anything about that. It's not about me getting people to watch the video or anything like that. What it's about is getting 10 people just to engage. That's all I'm looking for. Okay, so let me bring up the information here. We'll have a look at that. Okay, there's the financials. We got that. All right. Okay, you ready? Once we've got everybody here, we're going to do it. I'll tell you what it's all about when we start. Right. So everybody on Extra, if you can now jump into the main channel, we're live. If you want to be part of this, if you want to have your comment on the screen, you've got to join us now. I'm only going to be here for 5 minutes. This is a very, very quick thing. I've got to get out the earnings. I've got to get off to, have my dinner. I don't want to be here all night long. So there is the event right now. Jump in. There shouldn't be anybody in the Extra channel. The Extra channel should be empty, at least for those who are going to take part in this video. Right. So I'm going to give it 30 seconds more. Once we got enough, we got a few people here now. I think this will probably work. Right. Hang on a minute. Don't do anything yet. Don't do anything yet. Don't do any super chats just yet. At 0, it doesn't matter. I can replay yours, but don't do any more yet. Just wait a second. Right. I think we've probably got enough people in. So this is what we're going to do, folks. What we're going to do is I am going to make an invitation CEO video for SOUNDHOUND. Okay, that's what we're going to do. And what I want you to do, this is for Kaven. Kaven. How do you pronounce that? Is it? I think Kaven. Keven. I'm going to go Keven. Keven. All right. So what we're going to do is this. I am going to talk about SOUNDHOUND for a moment. And what I want, this is a video that you can use to send off to investor relations and all the rest of it. As I start making it, if you want to do a super chat, okay, to put into the video, right, a comment, a question, why you're bullish, why you think the stock is great. We'd love to have you, just like this.
Zero donated $2 through a super chat. Interview with the CEO, let's go.
There you go. That kind of comment. All right. I think it's like $1 or to be able to put a comment. That's the sort of thing. Say if you're bullish, say if you're bearish. Now, what I don't want any scammers or bots or anything like that. I don't want any of that at all. If we get that, I will edit it out, right? I just want positive, really good, solid stuff, all right? So it can be questions. It can be, I love the stock. We'd love to have the CEO on. Something that you want to know about the company, where you see the stock price going, make a prediction, anything at all which shows the CEO and investor relations that you are really enthusiastic and excited about the stock, that you love the stock as I do, and you really feel it could go somewhere. And this will trend. This will do well on YouTube. You can use it to send to the investor relations, and we can really get things moving, which would be really exciting because I think the stock could go a lot higher than this. All right, so we're going to start now. And I will replay Zero's comment, so don't worry. I will replay your comment. So I'm going to go into recent events, and I can play that back because we missed it. All right. Okay. So here we go. If you want to be part of the video, you want to make an impact, you want to make it trend, you want an invite CEO, here is your chance. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Let's do it. So if you do a super chat, it will put your comment on the screen and read it out. Okay, you ready? Okay, here we go. You've only got a couple of minutes to get it in. Once I finish the video, it's done. We have one comment so far, which we're going to use. There should be at least 10, because 10 of you said you wanted to do it. Right, so recent events. Let me come back to there. There's the credits. Recent events. There we go. I'm going to play in a moment Zero's comment so we don't miss that. Okay. Here we go. Speaking to all at SOUNDHOUND, and particularly the CEO and the management team, we are the investors of your company. We represent the #1 community on YouTube for and around the world for your stock, SOUNDHOUND. If you go onto YouTube, you will see that if you type in Sound, S-O-U-N stock, we rank #1 regularly for your stock. We love your stock. We're very interested in your company. And my name is Martyn Lucas, and I aim to be the most honest live channel on YouTube TV. I'm actually an entertainer. I am an investor, but I'm here to bring a live show to the world every day, 12 hours a day. And we have a Meet the CEO series. We've interviewed many CEOs up to now, and we've got many more coming up. CEOs have told me they like to be on my show because it's live, it's fun, it's engaging. It allows the investors to reach out and touch their investments. They feel engaged. It's much more fun than CNBC and Bloomberg. And we have got a very passionate army of investors in your company here. And we'd love to have you on the show. So I'm making this during a live video. It's not edited. It's happening live. I've got some of the investors who've just joined in with the earnings. They've just watched your earnings and they were excited about it and they're very bullish about it. We had like 83% vote for bullish. Got a great response on X. And they're going to email you this video and invite you onto the show. So as I make this, I'm just going to invite if any of our viewers would like to comment, and if they do a super chat, it will read it out. So they're actually paying like $1 or $2 to comment to get their name and their message read out to you, because we would love to have you on the show and learn about more about your business. And we have a great way to interview you, a fun way, which will rank your company on YouTube and Google #1, and we would love to be part of that. So we have been looking over the numbers this evening. We like what we see. The business sounds innovative, exciting. We love that you mentioned NVIDIA and all of that. We are very passionate about NVIDIA. See your balance sheet doing well. Everything looks lovely. Of course, the stock price did very well tonight. We're very excited about that. Congratulations to you and the team. I've just had a comment come in here. This is being made live, so I don't no idea what's going to be said. This is a comment just coming in now. This is from Zero, and he said, here we go.
Zero donated $2 through a super chat. Interview with the CEO. Let's go.
Interview with the CEO. That's one of your investors who's just done a super chat to have his comment read out on the show. I've got a comment here from Valerie. It's bullish for SOUNDHOUND. Mike says, great company. SOUNDHOUND AI bullish. Would love to hear from the SOUNDHOUND CEO in the Martyn Lucas Investor Channel. Also, what we're going to do, all of those. Oh, here's another one.
Mike 166A donated $1.99 through a super chat. Bullish for SOUNDHOUND.
Absolutely bullish. Now, I was actually voted by Sir Elton John as the world piano man, so I think this would lend itself perfectly to our studio and our music. This is our studio behind the scenes, and you can have a little look around the studio. I'm going to write a song, I think, and perform it, record it, put it out there, all about SOUNDHOUND. I think it makes perfect sense to have it linked to what I'm doing so we can rank for it, promote it, and get right behind your business. We've got another comment here from James. Bullish for SOUNDHOUND. AI is the future. Let's go. Momo the Great says, I would like to see the Sound CEO to be in our chat. I have a long position in Sound. And what we do actually have, we have our CEOs become members of our channel as well. It's only a couple of bucks, but it verifies you. So during the day when you're going about your business, we are live 12 hours a day. You can pop in the chat and say, hello, today we're doing this at the factory. It engages the investors, makes them feel engaged. People feel sometimes disengaged with what's going on in the stock market. This channel was created to bridge that gap, make it real, make it fun, make it entertaining. Let's be honest, investing should be fun. It should be exciting. You're buying into a great business, an innovative business that not only is it going to change the world for the better, provide jobs, employ people, but it's also going to make the investors wealthy as well. Everyone should be excited about investing, and everybody wants to be able to get involved. Sean Marr has just become a member of our other channel just so he could be here tonight. SOUNDHOUND, totally bullish. 384 shares for this guy. There we go. We have some very large investors and very small investors. Many of our stocks, we represent the global community for those stocks. So we have from very small, somebody with one share, to those who have millions of shares. Ramesh says, thank you, Martin. You're very, very welcome. Bullish. We've got a nice comment here from Isaac. We are in 62 countries and 14 languages. Isaac says, SOUNDHOUND to the moon. So there we go. There's just your invitation for you to be on the show and join the ranks of all the other CEOs who have come before you and will go after you to be on our show. It's a fun place to be. It's an engaging place to be. We grow 1,000 subscribers a week. We're doubling the rate of growth every month. But what's most important is not how many subscribers we have, it's how engaged they are. Wait till you hear for this statistic. Mr. Beast, one of the biggest channels in the world, CNBC, Bloomberg, all of these channels, Meet Kevin, Graham Stepan, they have membership ratios to their live viewers about 7 to 8%. Guess what my live viewer ratio is for my members? 98%. We have the highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube TV on earth. That's because we're live every day, and I'm here just to help people. I'm not here to sell videos, sell subscriptions. I quite honestly couldn't care less whether they subscribe or not. What I do want to do is bring the news to the world, to bring great companies like yours to the world and people to make money. That gives me enormous amount of pleasure. And because of that, I guess that's why 98% of our live viewers, damn it, not 100%, but never mind, no one's perfect. 98% are members. That makes me extremely happy and extremely proud. So be a member. Come on our channel, share the story of SOUNDHOUND every day, rank #1 on YouTube and Google, talk directly with your investors. This video, I'm sure, will reach you via the investors. I won't send it to you. I don't sell myself. I always believe in underselling and over-delivering. They will do it for me. Remember, I don't own the stock. I'm not here to pump or dump. I'm just here to help investors and help you reach your investors. Thank you ever so much for taking the time. If you are watching this video and you are an investor, make sure that you go and subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you, for the reason it just promotes the video. It doesn't bother me one way or the other. Also, smash the like button if you want to share it out to more people. I've just had another couple of messages coming here. SOUNDHOUND AI. I have 1,000 pieces, says Ramesh. SOUNDHOUND AI CEO. Phone in. I guess that's what that means. Absolutely great. So there you go. I hope to have you on the show. Thank you so much indeed for taking a look at this video, and we look forward to having you on the show. Click above my head for all the links. Down below in the description is more information, how to contact me, and over here we'll put the reviews and the earnings for SOUNDHOUND. Get involved, be part of the family. Oh, David just subscribed. Thank you so much indeed. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, that will go out by itself. You guys can share it. You guys can put it out. You can do whatever you like. There's people watching over on the Extra channel. We need to buy up Immunity Bio. Immunity Bio is another stock we are sort of behind as well. Okay, they're doing great work there for cancer relief. So yes, we're very excited about that as well. All right, I'm going to end this stream. I'm going to get the video edited out and taken care of. So what I'm going to do now is go into the live stream. Just bear with me, and send everybody back to the Extra channel so I can get to work. Okay, so here we go. Back to here, customization, and redirect back to the Extra channel. Right, I'm going to get to work now. There'll be some background music in the Extra channel, and I'm going to get to work putting these videos out with the earnings. The rest is up to you. There's the link to the Extra. And that's it from me. Dave Hensley just gifted 5 memberships. Ed Spitzer, Tuna Shub, Robbie Cooper, Clinton Glasgow, and Ivan Saavedra. Wonderful. There you go. 5 people have just been gifted memberships by David Hensley. How nice is that? Absolutely great. You can get lots of perks and benefits now by doing that. That's it from me. Thanks ever so much. I've got to get out of here. We are way over time. I've got things to get out, but enjoy me on the Extra channel, background music as I work and get these videos put out. That's it from me. I'll see you, well, you'll see me working, but I'll see you back in the morning. Tomorrow morning is Friday, and it's a normal Friday, but of course tomorrow night we've got the SOUNDHOUND concert now, as it happens. All right, that's it from me. See you back in a bit. Bye-bye for now.